Hi guys, welcome to Kashi Digital Headquarter. I'm your friend Kashi Ahmad. Today I'm going to talk to you about different type of prompt framework, and now the third framework is BAB. First B stands for before, like where you currently are, what the current situation is, what the current state look like. A is for after, means what's the end goal look like, what's the perfect picture look like, where you want to be. And the B is for bridge. Bridge is what do you need to do or AI to go from before and after, the bridge. So BAB, that's another type of framework. Now before I go how it works and to give you a couple of examples, still the majority of you who watch my videos but have not subscribed to the channel. It will be really helpful to me if every one of you just take 1 second, click subscribe at the bottom, I think wherever you see bottom or up, that will be very helpful, and share this video if you find this series helpful. So BAB framework is a very simple cognitive framework where you want to define where you are, what you want to do, what's the end goal look like. An example could be for, let's say, LinkedIn. Hey, my LinkedIn profile is not getting a lot of views, its structure is not good. I would like to reach to the example, maybe give Tony Robbins example, that kind of LinkedIn, or this is the end goal look like. Can you help me format my current LinkedIn profile into the end state that I would like based on my experience? That is one example of BAB framework. You can use those for resume writing. You can use those for any letter writing. Like you give your current resume, you can also give the target format, how do you want your resume to look like, and help AI to understand where you want to go, and it will help you get there. Another example for BAB framework is marketing copies, right? You want to write emails, target email. Hey, my current sales emails are not getting any follow-up. This is an example of great email, or I would like to have more click-through rates. Can you help me get there? That will be another example for BAB framework. Another great example will be content creation, where you can say, hey, this is my current content, not getting a lot of traction. I would like it to drive XYZ. Can you help me format and rewrite these content? That's another example for simple BAB framework. Now, if you want to take it to another next level, you can also provide a little bit of the more guardrails and all those. For example, hey, my YouTube videos are not getting a lot of views or traction. Can you help me write a 5-second hook? These are some good examples of the videos which have the hooks. I want it to be simple, easy, and flow with my YouTube content or the script that you have. That will help you get the output that you desire from any LLM that you are looking for. As usual, part of the best prompt practices, you can always provide a little bit of the format, like we learned in last 2 prompt types that you can watch is, hey, I want output into the bullet list, short paragraph, these key statement, and also you can guardrail it. It should not be more than 2 lines, 5 bullet points, or XYZ. Now, few things again when writing prompt that you need to understand is you need to avoid being vague. For example, hey, my LinkedIn profile is vague. Make it better. Well, LLM doesn't know what the better look like. It doesn't know what's the problem with your current LinkedIn profile is. So that's why you need to be a little descriptive, provide as much information as you can. This simple framework of before, after, and bridge is a very simple, quick cognitive framework that you can use to have a better output from any LLM, like Claude, whether ChatGPT or anything. Just define the before, where you are, what the end state is, and go from there. Again, you can see other framework that are there in practice. Sometimes you use combination of the framework. Try this one, make more and more practice, try different prompt and compare the result, and you will see the benefit. I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you like this video and enjoy the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do subscribe for the channel if you are the long-time listener or the new listener. Thank you.